Number 1. Today, we are looking at a brand new hyperbike concept that pushes the boundaries of design, technology, and raw performance. This machine is not just a motorcycle, it is a vision of what the future of speed and engineering can look like, from its aggressive stance to its cutting-edge aerodynamics. Every element of this bike is built with precision and purpose. The sculpted bodywork flows like liquid metal, with sharp edges and seamless curves that make it look both futuristic and deadly on the road. The deep glossy black finish, highlighted by subtle neon accents, gives it a predator-like presence, as if it is always ready to attack the asphalt. The blade-style LED headlights cut through the air with a piercing glow, making the bike instantly recognizable even from a distance. As we move closer, the attention to detail becomes even more apparent. Lightweight carbon fiber panels, high-performance racing tires, and a muscular fuel tank all work together to create a perfect balance between speed and stability. The low, wide stance ensures maximum grip, while the advanced aerodynamic fairing channels airflow smoothly around the bike, reducing drag and improving high-speed control. Every line, every surface, and every component feels intentionally designed for performance rather than decoration. This is not just about looking fast, it is about being fast. Step into the cockpit, and you enter a fully digital, driver-focused world. The high-resolution meter display provides real-time data with crystal clarity, including speed, power output, traction control, and ride mode selection. The handlebars are positioned for both comfort and control, while the premium grips and racing-style controls make every movement feel precise and responsive. The overall interior layout is clean, minimal, and modern, ensuring that the rider remains fully connected to the machine without any unnecessary distractions. Number 2. Introducing the Lamborghini-inspired futuristic bike. Sleek, powerful, and designed for the future, every line is precision-engineered. Aerodynamic body, lightweight carbon fiber, and bold LED accents give it a striking, futuristic look. Powered by next-gen electric motors, it accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in seconds. Advanced suspension and brakes give unmatched control at high speeds. The cockpit features a digital dashboard, AI-assisted riding modes, and smart lighting. Adaptive aerodynamics respond to your style, making every ride unique. This Lamborghini-style, futuristic bike is not just a concept, it's the future of riding. Fast, sleek, unforgettable.